Hello, my name is David Wallowidnick, the resident cocktail stylist of Taste Magazine. As you can see to my right here, these beautiful cherry blossoms are in bloom. We're here to celebrate the Sakura Festival of 2023. To celebrate that, I've created a cocktail called Sakura, using this beautiful Roku Gin, utilizing not only some traditional gin botanicals, but also 6 unique Japanese botanicals. Both the cherry blossom and the cherry leaf. 2 different teas, a little bit of yuzu leaf, and a little bit of Sancho pepper. It's a wonderful gin, you should check it out. And to complement that, plum wine. The plum wine is also a Japanese product. They call this sour plums ume, and this umeshu is a beautiful complement to that gin. To round it out, a little bit of cinnamon cordial and a little fresh lemon. It's a super easy cocktail, only 4 ingredients. It's also a cocktail that you can either serve neat, as you see here, or you can serve it over rice. Either way, it's delicious. Let's start off by taking our measure and the Roku Gin. We're going to utilize 45 mils, which is 1.5 ounces of gin. And to complement that, the plum wine. The plum wine is made from sour plums. They lightly sweeten it just to take a little bit of that tartness away. 3/4 ounce, which is 22.5 mils. You know, funny little fact about this is that some of those cherry blossoms that you see around Vancouver are actually sour plum trees. That's why I utilized this product. A little bit of cinnamon cordial, just a dash, 15 mils, which is also 1/2 ounce. Very easy to make. Boil some cinnamon sticks in water, remove them, and then make a cinnamon syrup using 2 parts sugar and 1 part cinnamon water. Last but not least, freshly squeezed lemon juice. 3/4 ounce, which is about 22 to 22.5 mils. All we have left to do is to give this a nice shake and strain it into the cocktail glass. And another beautiful cocktail glass right here. And give it a hard shake. You can tell how cold it is by how frosty the outside of that shaker gets. Wiggle that off, and we're going to fine strain this one. Slipped right out of my hand. We're going to fine strain this one using both the Hawthorne strainer and this conical strainer, removing all those little ice shards. And to garnish, I've taken a nice lemon zest and one of these beautiful little sour plums. These are preserved sour plums that you can find in some specialty grocers, as well as in some Asian grocery stores as well. The preserved sour plums nestled inside this beautiful little lemon zest. This is the Sakura. Check out this recipe in the spring issue of Taste Magazine, available for free at all the BC liquor stores. This recipe and many more. I look forward to seeing you again real soon.